Now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. You make me wanna cry.
Guys, today Alicia's hairdresser.
Hi guys, I'm gonna have a hairdress today, so you know my hair is a little bit short now. Now we're gonna rinse it now.
Yeah, let's see a final result. Hello guys, now see Alicia's final look.
Yeah, now it's shortened.
Yeah, and she looks so pretty like a Barbie doll.
That's so funny.
And please guys, like and subscribe her YouTube channel. What is ID? What is your ID, Alicia?
Alishacorneruk UK.
Alishacorneruk UK, please
No.
like and subscribe.
Not Connor, it's Corner.
Is Corner.
Yeah, got
UK.
it. You got it now. You're like a Barbie doll.
Yeah, like a Barbie doll. Thank you.
Bye.
See you next video, Alicia
Yeah.
then.
Yeah, see you next video.
Bye.